You ever feel like your ears are clogged, but when you try to clean them, you're just basically guessing? You're using cotton swabs or those little metal tools, and you're just hoping that you're not pushing wax deeper? Yeah, same. So today I'm testing out something that completely changes ear cleaning. This is the Bebird Earsight Ultra X, and this isn't just an ear cleaner. This has 5G responsiveness, 4K ultra clear visuals, real-time gyro stabilization, and live app viewing so you can actually see what you're doing. Let's test this out the right way. This is the Sunrise Orange Edition, and by the way, this color is exclusively available at Bebird's official website. Right away, you can tell that this feels premium. It's lightweight, rechargeable, compact, but packed with tech. Soft silicone options, precision tips, even adapters for nasal and oral inspection. This is much more than just an ear tool. This is basically a household wellness device. Let's power it on. I really like how there's the flashlight. It's really bright and lets you see everything. The Ultra X connects through your phone through the Bebird app. And here's where things get crazy. The app is very easy to use. There's an ear canal care option, as well as a nasal care, and also an oral care. You can also switch between left and right ears and view all your photos and videos and safely share them, for example, with your doctor. This uses upgraded 5G responsiveness, so when I move the tool, there's almost zero delay on the screen. That matters. Because when you're inside the ear, you do not want lag. And look at this image quality. This is 4K clarity. You can see the skin texture. You can see the wax buildup. You can see everything. It honestly looks like a medical scope. All right, let's try this out. I'm going to gently insert the 3.6mm serpentine lens tube. And this is important because the 3.6mm diameter is kid-friendly, and it's smaller than most tools. Plus, it comes with a depth stop collar, so there's measurements on here as well. And I like to set mine for 10, so I don't go that deep into my ear. It's great for children, so you physically can't go too far in. That alone makes this way safer than random tools off Amazon. Okay, we're inside. Wow, you can actually see everything. And here's where the multi-axis gyro comes in. If I rotate the tool, the image stays stable, so you don't lose orientation. That's huge for confidence. Now I'm going to use one of the soft silicone ear pick heads right now. Let's do this one. And you just simply screw it on. Everything is very easily attached. And this is also bendable, so it's great to adjust it. And instead of digging blindly, I can gently guide it towards the wax. Small movements, slow and controlled. And because of the 5G real-time feed, what I see is exactly what's happening. That makes it feel way safer. All right, we got a big piece right there. And instead of pushing it in, I'm swooping it outwards. And there it is. This is honestly satisfying. But more importantly, it's controlled. No guessing, no digging blind, no hoping for the best. Another big thing, the tool stays at 36 degrees Celsius, so it's body temperature warm. That means no cold shock feeling inside your ear. It's surprisingly comfortable. These are Hygienic 6-in-1 ear pick kits, so you're not reusing the same tip forever. You can swap them out. And if you have kids, the smaller tube and depth collar really matter. Because kids and safety is everything. Okay, let's try a different tip. This one is better for stickier wax. Again, you can see the detail. And when you see what you're doing, you automatically go slower. You're much more precise. And honestly, it feels less invasive than a normal cotton swab, because you're not jamming everything in there, you're guiding it. And once you try this, you never go back to guessing. Now this part is really cool. Now let's talk about ear care beyond the cleaning. The Ultra X actually includes an attached ear drop dispenser. So if you use medical ear drops, you can apply them accurately, instead of missing or over-pouring. That's huge if you're dealing with dryness, irritation, or ear infections. You can visually confirm placement. That's something most people never think about. So you push this down to suck up the liquid, and then you could squirt it in your ear. And you can monitor the whole thing on screen. So you can visually confirm placement. That's something most people never even think about. Also, this isn't just for earwax removal. It also includes adapters for nasal and oral inspection. Now, I'm not saying you're diagnosing yourself, but if you want to check out irritation or see what's going on, you can. That's especially useful for parents. If your kid says that their ear hurts, instead of guessing, you could just take a look. That alone could save unnecessary doctor visits. And again, the image quality makes it usable. This isn't a blurry gimmick scam. This is real 4K clarity. So who is this actually for? Number one, parents, because ear safety for kids is stressful. Number two, anyone who constantly deals with earwax buildup. Number three, people who wear earbuds daily. If you use AirPods or ear monitors, wax buildup happens faster than you actually think. And number four, honestly, anyone who wants better hygiene control at home. This feels like something that used to only exist at the clinics. Now it's in your bathroom drawer. So here's my honest take after using it. The biggest difference is the confidence. You're not guessing, you're actually seeing it. The 5G responsiveness makes movement feel instant. 4K clarity makes it usable. The gyro stabilization keeps you oriented. And the safety features. Depth stop, temperature control, kid-friendly tube size. That's what makes this stand out from the cheaper ear cameras. If you've ever felt clogged or worried about cleaning safely, this is a serious upgrade. The Sunrise Orange Edition is available exclusively on Bebird's official website. I'll put the link in the description. If you decide to try it, let me know how your experience goes. Because once you actually see what's happening, you'll never clean your ears the old way again. And I'll see you in the next one. It also comes with the tweezer adaptation, which is really a great, smart idea. Simply place this on the device, right here, and then pull this down. Simply screw the tweezer adapter onto the threads, and then when you squeeze this, it clamps. And yes, it also comes with the USB charging cable.